Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your day? Let's dive into Dify Vs N8N to uncover the perfect automation solution for you. First up, Dify. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create complex automation workflows with drag-and-drop ease. No coding experience needed. Seamlessly connect your favorite apps like Google Sheets, Slack, and email to automate data transfers, notifications, and much more. Dify excels at streamlining your digital ecosystem. Now, let's explore N8N. It is a powerful, open-source platform. N8N utilizes a node-based system, offering incredible flexibility and customization for your workflows. For developers and advanced users, N8N provides the ability to write custom code and utilize advanced features like error handling and branching logic. This provides ultimate control over your automation. So, which is right for you? Dify shines with its ease of use and visual builder, making it perfect for beginners. N8N empowers experienced users with its open-source nature and deep customization options. Choose the tool that best fits your technical expertise and automation goals to unlock the true potential of workflow automation and reclaim your valuable time.